Cummins Power Generation is proud to announce the new US EPA Tier 4 Final Certified 150 and 200 kilowatt diesel rental products. These fully integrated diesel-powered mobile power generation systems provide optimum performance, reliability, and versatility for standby and prime power applications. The Tier 4 final rental generator sets feature the Cummins QSB7 engine. The QSB7 is able to meet the new EPA emissions regulations through a combination of in-cylinder engine improvements, exhaust gas recirculation, and selective catalytic reduction exhaust aftertreatment. And the engine provides reduced fuel consumption without compromising power or performance. In addition to these industry-leading features, the Tier 4 final rental generator sets also feature the Power Command 3.3 control.
Our Power Command 3.3 control offers the customer potential to standardize some of their fleet by an easy-to-set-up powering capability that can scale power when required, thereby enhancing utilization rates. It reduces fleet operational cost by improving fuel efficiency of multiple generator systems. And it extends the engine life, which also reduces on-site services. And since our control package is masterless, each generator on the powering setup is equally capable to manage varying loads. This redundancy significantly minimizes risk of downtime.
In this demonstration, the oscillograph shows generator 1 running at rated voltage and frequency with 50% load. Generator 1 accepts full load. Generator 2 starts and automatically parallels with generator 1. Both generators begin sharing the load automatically. Cummins Power Generation has expanded the popular auxiliary fuel connections to also include DEF supply ports. This provides a flexible, simple-to-set-up solution for long-term rentals. Another exclusive feature is our 50 and 60 Hz frequency operation that is integrated into the voltage switch, allowing the operator to easily make selections on site.
The current Tier 4 final rental products that Cummins has developed take the latest technologies in emissions, in engine technology, control technology, bring them all together in the power of one that we can supply to the customer. These products are very applicable in construction, in retail, in events, in the oil and gas mining industry, as well as for normal traditional standby backup applications such as hospitals, community centers, emergency support locations like a sheriff or a police department station. So they're very applicable to be used in any area where primary or emergency power needs are there.
Make these rental products an integral part of your operations today. Cummins Power Generation's Tier 4 final generators are designed and developed to offer best-in-class value for customers while meeting the latest EPA emissions regulations.